Welcome to Crochet Basics. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to crochet the double crochet stitch step by step for beginners. So grab your yarn and your hook and let's get started. So for this tutorial for the double crochet, I have this weight 4 acrylic purple yarn. Any yarn will work for this. You'll need a 5.5mm hook, scissors, a yarn needle, and a stitch marker. You're going to start by making a slip knot. So you're going to twist your yarn over on itself, fold that loop down, grab the strand inside the loop, pull up while holding your tails to pull it tight. Insert your hook, grab that longer strand and just pull to tighten to your hook. And we're going to begin by chaining 18. So you're going to yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's 4 chains. We're going to make 18 altogether, so we have 14 to go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So this is how our chain looks. For the double crochet, there are a few ways that people start their row. Some chain 3 and count that as their double crochet. Some chain 2 and don't count it as a double crochet. I'm going to show you a different method because it makes the edging look a little more cleaner and straight. So in the 3rd chain from your hook, you're going to go insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So that is a single crochet. We're going to be making a stacked single crochet, which is also an alternative to a double crochet. So in the single crochet we made, you can see this front little bar right here. You're going to insert your hook into that bar like it's a stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So that made our stacked single crochet and it counts as a double crochet. We're going to continue on with the rest of our row making double crochets. So in the next space, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's continue. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch,